Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a big haul to share with you. All of the items that I'm going to share with you in this haul except for two birthday gifts for Connor. This is several different places. We're going to start with eBay. There's Five Below, there's Walmart. So let's just jump right in. From eBay, it's a great place to pick up used and new DVDs for a very reasonable price. And Connor had been wanting season 2 of Teen Titans Go. So picked up the 2-disc set, The Appetite for Disruption, Goosebumps 2, another movie he'd been wanting, and just because I think that he'll be pretty into this, the 2-pack of the Addams Family, so Addams Family and Addams Family Values. And also from eBay, I'm waiting for 3 Dr. Seuss books. I'm going to insert a picture. And the new HGTV Switcheroo Rescue book as well. Found those on eBay for a reasonable price and great condition. So I can't wait till they get here. They're just not here yet. At Walmart, I found this, and it's an 18 count variety pack. It has different lollipop suckers in here. And you get ring pop, push pop, bottle pop, and the juicy drops. And I just thought this was a fun little pack, and there's new flavors in here. A pack of neon Play-Doh. He loves to just play with the Play-Doh, make things, just play in it while he watches YouTube. And he needed some new Play-Doh. He also needed a new sketch pad, 70 sheets. And this has like a sleeve, like a folder in the front of it, and you can put your art in this. And he's already went through almost one of these. He likes to learn how to draw new things. And he needed a new package of markers for his drawings. And I picked up the Crazy Art 20 Super Tip washable markers. And there's 20 different shades in here, and they're scented. With 6 different scents, and I thought he would like those. And that's all I grabbed at Walmart this day. At Five Below, John picked up this shirt. It's got Saitama on it, and it's from One Punch Man. It's actually a pretty neat shirt. Not only do you get him on there, it literally says the anime he's from, has his name on there, and for $5, and it is a white tee. This tee is black. It has a Orochimaru on it from Naruto. It actually says his name in yellow. Has him on the shirt as well. And I think for $5 these are pretty nice t-shirts. And now on to some gifts. Well, Connor likes anime as well. So I saw this manga coloring book, and they had like how to draw chibi characters and stuff too, but I thought that he would like the coloring book just as much. So you get character pages, and then like pages like this. Character page. I really like that. Oh, pretty neat coloring book for $5. He'll love that one. Probably that one too. So that's neat. And I did want to get him a Kinetic Sand set, but they were outrageously priced at Walmart, I thought. And I found this at Five Below for $5. And you get 6 colors of sand, a sand roller, and 6 modes. And this is their gravity sand set. They had these in several different collections and different boxes and sets. So I thought that he would enjoy this one quite a bit. So I wanted to get a set. So $5 beats Walmart prices. And last but not least, he loves FNAF, Five Nights at Freddy's. And we found these plushies at Five Below, which they're still, because they're $10 to $15 anywhere else. They were $5 at Five Below. We only found 2. We would have picked up the whole set. But this one is Red Bonnie, and it's a system error. such a good deal. Bonnie is his favorite, so glad we could grab that one. And then Chica, and she has high score on her little bib there, and he's going to love these. These were such a steal of a find. And that is all of the items for this haul. eBay, Walmart, and Five Below, all for Connor's birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links. Thank you so very much for watching.